together. Igwe, Igwe, Igwe. And the second wife is a modern wife. Wow.
Ao rei tem 2 mulheres, que é como a esposa, todo mundo tem que complementar ele.
So, let's see what is going to happen in this family of Igwe. I think there will be a little problem, but let's see how the Igwe will manage this.
Então, vamos ver o que vai acontecer aqui com a rainha, com o rei.
Second wife, chief. If not, I don't think I will marry you. Every time, menka, because I don't have time for that. Oh, because I'm not from Akayeko or Gaza, Banana, I wouldn't have married you. Because,
Can't you see where you go? I'm here. Because you have to tell me one thing. So, have you seen what transpired in the family of Igwe? The traditional wife, the modern wife. The modern wife married the Igwe because of the title and the money. Madam is presented to you is this traditional family, and you should marry for love, never for money.
Thank you.